Hello viewers, what's up? I'm Shimel and you're watching Shibi's Kitchen. Today I wanted to share delicious and easy iftar recipe with you guys. So let's make easy cheesy baked chicken shawarma. Let's see how to make it. I like using chicken breast but chicken thighs work as great. First I'll cut into thin and small strips. I'm using 500 grams chicken boneless. Here are the spices I'm going to add. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Now give this a nice mix. And to this I am adding 500 grams chicken. And now toss well to coat. And marinate this for 30 minutes in refrigerator. Now let's make shawarma sauce. Add half cup curd, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup fresh cream, 1 tablespoon tahini paste, 2 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Now give this a very nice mix and set this aside. And now heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Now adding marinated chicken pieces in it. Cook this for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Now turn and roast it nicely till chicken becomes tender and well coated. Once done, drizzle half of the lemon, mix this nicely and set this aside. Now let's assemble the shawarma. Lay the tortillas on a cutting board. I am using 2 tortillas. Take a knife or pizza cutter, cut a line in center and make triangle pieces as directed and set aside. And now place the tortilla sheets in a baking dish as directed. And layer it with roasted chicken pieces. And now place few French fries. Adding some jalapenos. Now top up with shawarma sauce. And next grate 3 cheese cubes on top. And then grate 3 mozzarella cheese cubes too. Once you are done with grating cheese, now it's ready to bake. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake this for 10 to 15 minutes. And now easy cheesy baked chicken shawarma is ready to serve. This version is very easy to make. It turns out just as delicious and flavorful and is ready in an hour. And this cheesy baked chicken shawarma is sure to be a hit with the whole family. And it's very easy to make. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page Shimi's.kitchen and follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing iftar recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.